literature review is a critical analysis of published texts or literature on a particular topic. It is an important tool used in academic research to gain a comprehensive understanding of a subject and to identify gaps in knowledge. In this video, we will explore the different components of a literature review, including its purpose, structure, and methodology. We will discuss how to effectively summarize, evaluate, classify, and compare existing literature on a topic. A good literature review should give an overview of what has been said about a topic, including key writers, prevailing theories and hypotheses, questions being asked, and appropriate methods and methodologies. So, whether you are a student or a researcher, understanding how to conduct a literature review is a critical skill that can help you to identify research gaps, refine your research question, and provide a foundation for your own research. So, let's dive into the world of literature reviews and learn how to conduct effective and comprehensive reviews of the literature. Why is a literature review important? A literature review is important for several reasons. Firstly, it provides an overview of the existing knowledge on a particular topic. This can help researchers to identify gaps in knowledge and to refine their research question or hypothesis. Secondly, a literature review can help to inform the methodology of a study. By examining the methods used in previous research on a topic, researchers can identify appropriate and useful methods and methodologies to use in their own study. Thirdly, a literature review can help to identify key writers and prevailing theories and hypotheses in a field. This can provide researchers with a foundation of knowledge to build upon, and can help to contextualize their own research within the broader field. Fourthly, a literature review can help to identify conflicting viewpoints or inconsistencies in the existing literature. This can help researchers to identify areas where further research is needed, or where additional data may be required. Finally, a literature review can help to identify potential sources of bias or limitations in the existing literature. By critically evaluating previous research, researchers can identify potential weaknesses or biases in the literature, and can design their own study to address these issues. Typically involves several key steps. Here is an overview of the general process. Define your research question or topic. The first step in conducting a literature review is to define your research question or topic. This will help to guide your search for relevant literature. Conduct a thorough search for relevant literature. Once you have defined your research question or topic, you will need to conduct a thorough search for relevant literature. This may involve searching academic databases, such as PubMed or Web of Science, as well as using search engines such as Google Scholar. You may also want to consult reference lists of key articles and books on your topic. Evaluate and select relevant sources. Once you have compiled a list of potential sources, you will need to evaluate and select the most relevant sources to include in your literature review. This may involve reading abstracts or summaries of articles, as well as skimming full-text articles or books to determine their relevance to your research question. Read and analyze the selected sources. Once you have selected your sources, you will need to read and analyze them in depth. This may involve taking detailed notes on key findings, methods, and conclusions, as well as highlighting key quotes or passages. Organize and synthesize the information. Once you have analyzed your sources, you will need to organize and synthesize the information. This may involve creating a table or spreadsheet to track key information, as well as creating an outline or concept map to help you organize your thoughts. Write the literature review. Finally, you will need to write the literature review itself. This may involve synthesizing the information you have gathered into a cohesive narrative, as well as critically analyzing and evaluating the existing literature. Your literature review should include an introduction that outlines the research question or topic, a summary of the key findings and conclusions of the literature, and a discussion of the limitations and gaps in the existing literature. Utilize it effectively. Use relevant keywords. When conducting a literature search, it's important to use relevant keywords that relate to your research question or topic. These keywords can help you to identify relevant articles and books, and can also help you to refine your search as you go along. Use advanced search techniques. Many academic databases offer advanced search techniques that can help you to narrow down your search results. These techniques may include Boolean operators such as and, or, and not, phrase searching, and truncation. Consult reference lists. When you find a relevant article or book, Be sure to consult its reference list for additional sources that may be relevant to your research question or topic. Use citation analysis. Citation analysis involves examining the reference lists of articles and books to identify frequently cited sources. This can be a useful technique for identifying key sources and for gaining a comprehensive understanding of the existing literature on a topic. Read abstracts and summaries. When evaluating potential sources, be sure to read the abstracts or summaries of articles and books to determine their relevance to your research question or topic. Take detailed notes. When reading and analyzing sources, it's important to take detailed notes on key findings, methods, and conclusions. These notes can help you to synthesize the information and to identify common themes and patterns in the existing literature. Use a summary table or spreadsheet. To organize your notes, you may want to use a summary table or spreadsheet to track key information, such as the author, year of publication, research design, and key findings. Practice summarizing. Summarizing the existing literature is a key component of writing a literature review. To practice summarizing effectively, try to condense the key findings of an article or book into a few sentences or bullet points. This can help you to identify the most important information and to synthesize the information effectively. Final thoughts. Writing a literature review involves several steps, including defining your research question, identifying relevant literature, reading and evaluating the literature, organizing your review, writing your review, and revising and editing it. It is important to critically analyze the strengths and weaknesses of each source, identify key themes and arguments, and assess the overall quality of the literature. Your review should be well organized, provide a clear and concise summary of the literature, and include a critical analysis of the key findings and their implications for future research. If you have questions about literature review, you can shoot them in the comments section.